Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to go through how to set up the NFC tags, especially inside the Home Assistant, and how to leverage those into your home automation and use it for a variety of reasons. I have used it for my bedside table for good night scene, and then also for unlock. I'm going to show up how can you use to automate and unlock your front door. So let's get started. Welcome back. So let's get started with setting up the NFC tags. So you need an NFC tag itself, which you can get as a sticker, or if you already have some NFC tags lying around and which you want to set up. And you need a reader, which pretty much all the phones right now have the NFC readers. One thing to bear in mind is if you have a smartwatch, right now the smartwatch don't support the NFC readers for reading any tags. They just read the wallets and the payments, bank payments. But all the iPhones and latest iPhones and the Android phones, they pretty much support reading any NFC tags. So we'll just be using that for now. So to set up, let's go to the Home Assistant settings, and you see that I have a special panel here to set up the NFC tags. So click on it. I already have one for my bedside table, which I'll show you the automation later. And then when you click on create add tag, so I'll name it as, this is going to be my front door tag. So I'll just name it as a tag so I know. And for the ID, you can create your own ID, or you can just leave it blank. So if you click on it, it'll say that it's auto-generated when left empty. And I'll just go ahead and create it. So now it's pretty much created it's not created it in the tag itself, but in Home Assistant, it creates an entity called front door tag. So that's why it says it's never been scanned. And then if you go into settings, so this is the ID it has generated. So what it needs now is this ID to be stamped or written onto your tag, so that whenever a reader reads it, then it reads this pretty much it reads this tag. So what Home Assistant does is like, okay, whenever it scans this tag, then you can set up automation around it. So now you have this, and now you have to scan it. So what I do is go ahead and like scan this. And when you do it on your phone, then you already have an option. So you can open up your companion app on your phone and then go to this line. So since this is I'm on my PC and it's not NFC reader, so you don't see an option. Otherwise you will see an option for NFC tag reader. So you click on that and then pretty much read the tags. All right, so now that I have scanned it, and I'll show you like, so it's already scanned. So I'll just give it a name, and I'll say this is the front door. And now you can see, as you can see, you already have an automation linked to it. You can either go to settings and automation, but since you're already here, you can create an automation with the tag. So what it does is it already creates a trigger with that tag name. So whenever the tag is scanned, then what I want to do, and I can add a condition. So the device, I don't want, like, if the front door is, so if the front door lock is locked. So if it is locked, when I scan it, then I want to unlock it. So I can select here to unlock and select unlock, and then choose the device, which is the front door lock. So what I'm saying is here, whenever it's locked, when I scan the tag, then it unlocks the door. So if you have a code which you want to use to unlock the code, you can do that. I'm not going to go through the locking and unlocking process, but this is more for the tags, how it works. So once you have this automation, and you can choose whichever action you want when you scan the tag. So when I click on save, I can leave it as is. So that's it. So you created an automation, and just can show you how the automation works when I scan it. So I have this door lock. So currently it's locked. So I'm going to scan through my phone. And as you can see, when I scanned it, it's unlocked. And then you can look at the settings just so you know how it scans. So this is the automation, and this was last triggered. So you have this information as well as when it was scanned. So this is the first time when I scanned it initially, and then this is the one which I scanned it right now. So it can override the tags as well if you want to. And so that's it. Hope you like the video.